Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to use the law of exponents to rewrite and simplify the expression. So in A, we have 4 to the negative 3 over 2 to the negative 8. So what we're going to do here is we're going to get these both in terms of base 2. So 4 is 2 squared. So 4 to the negative 3 is the same as 2 squared to the negative 3. This is over 2 to the negative 8. Our next step, if you have one power, to the next, so you have 2 to the second power, to the negative third power, you can multiply those two powers. So this is 2 to the 2 times negative 3, so 2 to the negative 6. This is over 2 to the negative 8. And this is equal to, if you have 1 divided by another, you subtract the exponents. So this is 2 to the negative 6 minus negative 8. And this is 2 to the negative 6 plus 8, which is 2 squared, which we can write as 4. So this expression is equal to 4. Next, B, we have 1 over the cube root of x to the 4th. So the first step, the cube root, or any root rather, is equal to whatever you're taking the root of, so x to the 4th, to 1 over that root, so 1 over 3, because it's the third. This is 1 over. Again, if you're multiplying two exponents, if you have one exponent to the other, you multiply them. So this is x to the 4 times 1/3 is 4 over 3. And if you have a number in the denominator, an exponent in the denominator, you can multiply it by -1 and move it to the numerator. So this is equal to 1 times, which is just 1 times anything, is just itself. So it's just this, x to the negative 4/3. So now we have these two expressions. A is equivalent to 4, and B is equivalent to x to the negative 4/3.